Welcome everyone to J&J's test video of S4 HU359 170,000 mile H2. Pretty clean. Came in off a trade-in. Got some issues here and there. ABS lights on, all that kind of stuff. Just kind of beat up. Runs really nice, so been idling for a while. I'll give you some sounds. Got wheels and tires on it, rock rails. Seats are a little bit worn out, you know. No hump, no Alright. 173.32. Oil pressure's good, coolant's good. Take it for a ride. Stereo's locked. Check those mirrors. Always forget the mirrors. See if they fold. No folding at all. Do they move? Oh, I wonder if I got a bad driver's switch. Oh, that one moves. But this one doesn't. I bet you I got a bad. Oh, there it goes. I bet you I got. Oh, maybe not, because the other side moved in those operations. All right. There we go. Oh, there it just folded. See if I can get them to unfold. Yeah, I think my driver's switch was bad. There it goes. All right, they do work. Just a bad switch. In gear. Here we go. Running, driving. Doing Hummer stuff. All right, let's check low, and then we'll be good. See if the T-case motor works. Might not. I think I gotta hit both of them. Let's see what it does. Yeah, it's still a high. Oh, I might have a bad transfer case motor. Well, there you go. S4 HU359. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pet spayed and neutered.